So we have had the Pixel 9 Pro XL in-house for a week or so. So we're going to do this as our long weekend review. And I'm just going to jump right into it. We have reviewed a lot of phones. Google knocked it out of the park this year. As we initially alluded to in our unboxing videos, everything about this phone actually screams premium, from the feel in the hand to that new Actua display. It is awesome to use. So we're not Team Pixel. We purchased this with our own money. So we have no biased opinions on anything. We obviously do dual carry with an iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you guys follow the channel, you're aware we use this all the time. And this has been kind of now our secondary SIM card, which might migrate to our primary SIM card that does usually reside in that iPhone 15 Pro Max. I gotta say, the cameras, the picture quality, the actual quickness of the system, and Gemini have been a pleasant surprise. Yes, Pixel Studio is definitely still a little gimmicky unless you like to create different images with, text prompts and all that. It's fun. You do kind of get worn out and tired of that in a while. Add Me seems like a somewhat gimmicky addition. We've never been in a situation where there wasn't somebody that could just, take a photo of us instead of having to go through that hassle of adding yourself in. But I do think Marquez hit the nail on the head when he did say, what is a picture anymore? There is so many photo tweaks thanks to AI on this phone, and really that's going to be rolling out to a lot of other devices here in the near future. What is a picture anymore? You can literally tweak and make it what you want. A picture used to be a snapshot in time of what was true to life. That's not the case anymore, and it might be all thanks to Google. One thing is for certain though, Google is way ahead of the game than what Apple has and what they plan to roll out thanks to Gemini and what Apple's going to have with the new Apple Intelligence features rolling out in probably October. If anything, this just shows you how natural of a conversation you can have with Gemini Live and get useful information as a true conversation. I do think Gemini Live could be the future, and what it offers currently is awesome. There is still little weird gaps with Google Assistant and what Gemini offer. I'm sure that'll be fleshed out over time, but in its current iteration in the Pixel 9 Pro, this is a total package device from Google. The looks of it, like I said, the premium feels, the camera quality, and something that we've never been able to say before on a Pixel, battery life has been really, really good on this baby here, going 6+ hours of screen on time, thanks to that over 5,000 milliamp hour battery and that new Tensor G4 chip on this. I do have to say, I am very surprised. I didn't go in with low expectations, but they weren't sky high, and this cleared the bar so easily. It is amazing. I want to carry it with me. We've went through quite a few number of devices, most recently including that Moto Razr Plus of 2024. I thought that was going to be good. Again, it is what it is. I guess I'm just not really a flip fold fan, but I want to bring this with me. It makes me want to have, yet again, an Android and an iPhone with me at all times. So, as far as areas of improvement, I'm not sure what it is, but covering the speaker here is very easy. It is a dual speaker setup. However, obviously, as most phones are, the bottom speaker grill gives out more of the sound, and I've just found myself very easily blocking it. I'm not sure if it's just because it's on the lower end, and I do normally hold my phone like this when I'm watching a video in horizontal mode. Could just be a me thing, but just a call out there as well. The modem, I do want to say too, on this baby has been very good. I've been able to travel quite a bit and not get a lot of dead zones where I have with some other Android phones. I'm not sure if it's the modem itself in combination with the Tensor G4 chip, but if you guys are in a struggling location for network, this holds on to a signal very well. Calls have been great. We obviously have all those other gimmicky features that we were talking about. The pixel screenshot, I think that's just a waste. No reason it can't just be bundled in the photo app as is, so take that for what you want. I did just want to let you guys know. Aside from that, you cannot go wrong picking up one of these new devices, whether you get the Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, or even the basic Pixel 9. We have not had a lot of time to go hands-on with it. We have a friend that actually got it, and they do like it. So take that for what you want. Let me know in the comments down below if you would like further reviews on that as well. Beyond that, we do have other videos on the channel in regards to screen protectors, cases, and also the best fast chargers available is coming soon. So if you're thinking about picking up one of these devices, use that referral code down below. We definitely appreciate it. It really helps the channel out. Thank you again for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.